In a moment that will be etched into the annals of India's maritime history, a powerful new chapter was written. The Indian Navy witnessed a truly unprecedented event with the launch of two state-of-the-art frontline warships, INS Udaygiri, INS Himgiri. This was not just another commissioning ceremony, it was a powerful declaration of India's growing naval might and its unwavering commitment to securing its vast maritime interests. The launch of these two magnificent vessels on the same day marked a historic first for our nation, a feat that sends a clear and resounding message to the world. India is not just building a navy, it is building a legacy of strength, innovation, and self-reliance, one warship at a time. The air was thick with pride and anticipation as these steel giants gracefully entered the water. This dual launch is far more than a simple milestone. It represents a quantum leap in India's shipbuilding capabilities and a profound shift in its strategic posture. For the first time, two formidable warships, born from two different shipyards, were introduced to the world simultaneously. This synchronized effort showcases a level of industrial coordination and advanced manufacturing prowess that was once a distant dream. It highlights the maturity of India's defense industrial complex, proving that our nation can undertake and execute complex, large-scale projects with precision and excellence. The story of these two warships is a tale of two great Indian shipyards working in perfect harmony towards a common national goal. INS Udaygiri, a Project 17 Alpha frigate, was meticulously constructed at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited in Mumbai. Simultaneously, hundreds of kilometers away, INS Himgiri was taking shape at Garden Reach Shipbuilders and engineers in Kolkata. The fact that these two premier defense shipyards could launch warships of the same advanced class on the very same day is a landmark achievement. It represents an incredible synergy within India's defense manufacturing ecosystem, showcasing a new era of collaborative power and industrial maturity. This is not just shipbuilding, it is nation-building on an epic scale. INS Udaygiri and INS Himgiri are the second and third ships, respectively, of the advanced Nilgiri class of stealth-guided missile frigates. These warships are a follow-on to the successful Shivalik class, but incorporate significant improvements in stealth weaponry and sensor technology. The Project 17 Alpha program involves the construction of 7 such ships, with 4 being built at Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders and 3 at Garden Reach Shipbuilders. This distributed production model is a strategic masterstroke. It not only accelerates the delivery timeline for these critical naval assets, but also builds redundant capacity and fosters healthy competition and innovation between our top shipyards. It ensures the entire defense sector grows stronger and more capable. INS Udaygiri is named after a mountain range in Andhra Pradesh, symbolizing resilience and vigilance. The Project 17 Alpha frigates, including Udaygiri and Himgiri, are designed with one primary characteristic in mind: stealth. In modern naval warfare, the ability to see without being seen is the ultimate advantage. These warships feature a significantly reduced radar cross-section thanks to a specially shaped hull and superstructure, built with radar-absorbent materials. They also use advanced acoustic silencing technologies, making them elusive to enemy submarines. Low observability on radar and sonar gives a critical tactical edge, letting them operate undetected and strike with devastating surprise. When it comes to firepower, these frigates pack a formidable punch. Equipped with advanced offensive and defensive weapon systems, surface-to-air defense, Barak 8 missile system, long-range strike, BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, main gun, 76mm naval gun, anti-submarine warfare, ASW sensors and weapons. Propulsion: 670-ton ship reaching over 28 knots via combined diesel and gas system. Diesel engines for efficient cruising, gas turbines for high-power bursts and rapid maneuvers. The hybrid gives endurance, speed and operational flexibility, letting them stay on station long while responding swiftly to threats. At the heart, a state-of-the-art combat management system, the ship's electronic brain. It integrates sensors, advanced radars, sonars, electronic warfare suites into a single picture. The CMS analyzes data in real time, identifies threats, recommends actions to the commanding officer, enabling rapid, decisive responses. Many of these systems, including the CMS, are developed indigenously, showcasing India's growing defense electronics expertise. This historic launch event serves as a powerful inspiration for future generations, encouraging them to pursue careers in science, technology, and national defense. It demonstrates that India has the talent, the resources, and the political will to build a world-class navy capable of meeting any challenge. The simultaneous entry of Udaygiri and Himgiri into the water is a celebration of our past achievements and a bold proclamation of our future ambitions. The journey ahead is long, but this day marks a giant stride forward. With a vast coastline of over 7,500 kilometers and a sprawling exclusive economic zone of more than 2 million square kilometers, India's prosperity is intrinsically linked to the sea. Our maritime interests are enormous, encompassing energy security and the safety of our coastal communities. The induction of advanced frigates like INS Udaygiri and Himgiri is absolutely critical to protecting these vital national interests. These warships will serve as powerful guardians of our maritime frontiers, equipped to deter any aggression and respond decisively to any threat. Their presence will ensure that our sea lines of communication, through which a majority of our trade flows, remain safe, open, and secure. The Indian Ocean region is becoming an increasingly contested space with growing naval competition and non-traditional security challenges. In this complex environment, a strong and modern navy is not a choice but a necessity. Udaygiri and Himgiri will significantly enhance the Indian Navy's combat potential and operational reach. As multi-role frigates, they are capable of performing a wide spectrum of missions, from anti-surface anti-submarine warfare to air defense. This versatility allows them to operate independently or as part of a larger carrier battle group, providing a flexible and powerful tool for the Navy to project power and maintain stability across the entire Indian Ocean and beyond. These warships are not just about hard power, they're also about ensuring the rule of law at sea. They will play a crucial role in combating maritime piracy, smuggling, and terrorism. They will also respond to maritime disasters and rescue operations. Equipped with modern medical facilities and capable of carrying helicopters and relief supplies, Udaygiri and Himgiri can be rapidly deployed to provide aid to neighboring countries struck by natural disasters like tsunamis or cyclones. This role as a provider of humanitarian aid reinforces India's reputation as a responsible and compassionate regional power, earning goodwill and strengthening diplomatic ties with nations across the Indian Ocean littoral. These ships are truly a force for good. Protecting the arteries of global commerce is another vital mission these warships will undertake. A significant portion of the world's trade, especially its energy supplies, passes through the sea lanes of the Indian Ocean. Any disruption in these lanes can have a cascading effect on the global economy. Udaygiri and Himgiri will be deployed for anti-piracy patrols and to ensure freedom of navigation for all vessels, irrespective of their flag. By contributing to the safety and security of these critical waterways, the Indian Navy not only protects India's own economic interests, but also serves the larger cause of global economic stability and prosperity, reinforcing India's role as a net security provider. The addition of Udaygiri and Himgiri sends a clear signal that India is committed to maintaining a favorable balance of power in the Indian Ocean region. It demonstrates our resolve to protect our sovereignty and our strategic space. These ships are more than just military hardware. They are instruments of national policy and symbols of our determination to shape our own destiny in an increasingly uncertain world. Their commissioning will undoubtedly bolster India's standing as a major maritime power. These warships will help build bridges of friendship across the seas. Their port calls to friendly countries, their participation in international fleet reviews, and their role in training foreign naval personnel all contribute to strengthening maritime cooperation. They showcase the best of Indian shipbuilding and technology, opening up avenues for defense exports and strategic collaborations. In essence, INS Udaygiri and Himgiri are not just protectors of India. They are enablers of a peaceful and prosperous regional order, embodying India's commitment to being a constructive and stabilizing force in the Indo-Pacific. The simultaneous launch of INS Udaygiri and INS Himgiri is a defining moment for 21st century India. from drawing board to water, a celebration of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The seas are safer with them, and India is